I'm sure you've heard the news. Knuckle cracking is a mystery no more. When you crack your knuckles, you're not breaking any bones. It's all about the gas bubbles in your joints. Your fingers have a special fluid called synovial fluid. When you pull or bend your fingers, you create space in the joint. This makes the gas bubbles in the fluid pop, and that's the sound you hear. Cool, right? But wait, some people say cracking your knuckles is bad for you. Guess what? Studies show it doesn't cause arthritis. So crack away, but don't overdo it. And here's a fun fact. After you crack a knuckle, it won't pop again right away. That's because the gas bubbles need time to form again. So, next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, you can tell them the science behind it. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and stay curious. See you in the next video.